This video is for use cases when errors per row counter threshold limit exceeded on memory DIMM. Need to restart the system for DIMM Self-healing to attempt post-package repair. Log in to XClarity Controller and go to Events. If you see an error message, FQXSFMA0067G, work through the following procedure to troubleshoot this issue. Restart the system to allow for DIMM Self-healing to attempt hard post-package repair and confirm that event ID FQXSFMA0026I was recorded. Run Advanced Memory Test using the XClarity Provisioning Manager. Click Diagnostics. Run Diagnostics. Memory Test. Advanced Memory Test to repair the DIMM. If the problem persists or if PPR attempt failed due to event ID FQXSFMA0027M or FQXSFMA0028M, collect and upload the service log and contact Lenovo support.